Welcome back to episode 2 of FranklinWH Friday. My name is Brandon Sanchez, Director of Marketing here at FranklinWH, and I'm thrilled to be your host as we dive into the innovative solutions and real-world applications showcased on this series. FranklinWH has now launched a monthly photo and video contest campaign on social media, which is open to both installers and homeowners. All participants win some swag and also have a chance to win an iPad or a GoPro. So please stay tuned, the best is yet to come. I'll be announcing those winners at the end of this video. First, in July, we'll be releasing a white paper on the evolving landscape of energy management. Power controls play a crucial role. This white paper explains how power controls supported by the latest NEC standards not only ensure safety, but also optimize energy usage, maximize renewable energy integration, and reduce dependence on the grid. So unlock your potential of your energy system while staying compliant with NEC standards. Second, our new lifting dolly is coming soon. This dolly has been designed specifically to help with A-Power installations. It comes equipped with a built-in battery lift, allows for comfortable pauses, and other many impressive features. So let's talk about why us. Why FranklinWH? Let me cover 3 special features that makes our solution great for your home. Number 1, smart circuits. The FranklinWH system provides cost-effective, optional smart circuits for homeowners to easily manage unique appliances, turning them off during outages to extend power for necessary loads. Smart circuits can be operated remotely from anywhere and anytime. You can even turn on appliances such as air conditioners remotely as you come up to your home. Number 2, the Black Start function can automatically restart your solar system and manage your solar during extended outages. For instance, during a long outage, your batteries might use all of their charge at night, causing it to shut down your energy management system. In the morning, the FranklinWH system will check to see if the solar system is producing and then return it to providing power to your home. Number 3, the Storm Hedge feature receives notifications of extreme weather forecasts for the national system and automatically switches your system into backup mode, working to fully prepare you for any sort of power emergency. So now let's cover the photo and video contest submissions for last month. I wanted to start by saying thank you to everyone who took the time to showcase their beautiful installations. As mentioned last month, I value transparency, so let's dive into my laptop and pick our winners for June. Congratulations, AZ Independent Solar, you are our monthly awards winner. You will be receiving our FranklinWH gift package. Congratulations to Shaw Energy Consulting for winning our iPad award. Their exceptional installation case filming, their impressive video clip showcases expertise in aerial photography and other various techniques that demonstrate their ability to produce exceptional video content. With that, the July photo and video contest has now commenced. Be sure to get your submissions in to be eligible for the July Premium Gift Package. For August, we'll be announcing our quarterly awards, and all entrants are eligible to win swag and a chance to win the iPad or GoPro grand prizes. So stay tuned and be sure to follow our social media channels for more information. Thanks for tuning in to this month's FranklinWH Friday, and I'll catch you next time.